Welcome to Monday Motivation. Today's card is Purpose. Are you living your purpose? Are you doing what brings you joy? So, this card invites you to reflect on whether you've lost your way or been distracted from your true calling. It reminds you to take a pause, recenter, and reconnect with your unique purpose. True purpose is not about living up to other people's expectations, but embracing your path, passions, and your dreams wholeheartedly. Do what brings you joy. Because when you do, then it will